There are circumstances in life when people try to trick you to make you become guilty so that they find a reason to chase you away from their life. Maybe there are moments that you really needed them to help you, but they push you away because they feel you're a burden to them. They trick you, they bring situations and stories so that they find a reason to say that yes, you did this. Yet also at times, they still fail to make you fall a victim of their trap. You win and you remain innocent. But despite that, there are moments that people may still also blame you and force you to accept that you're guilty. And there are also situations that you may accept still to apologize so that you stay together with that person. What would you do if you are caught up in that situation? Pick up yourself and move on.